I originally had some cortisone shots in my jaw because I couldn't find help anywhere. And it did give a little relief, about a week's worth. And so I had 2 shots in probably 14 days to get through the holidays. Nothing relieved the pain. Originally, I suffered from the clicking. After thinking about it for a while, I had experienced that throughout my life, probably from my teens, but it would come and it would go. Well, then the pain got so bad and the clicking got so bad, I went to a specialist in my area, and he wanted to do some implants. The pain had gotten so bad, eating was almost impossible, but I think the noise was worse. It was maddening. Anytime you talk, you hear click, 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 click. That was my journey to here after going to Dallas and to Arkansas. My consult with Dr. Movahed was great. I came in and he took some pictures, and I'd kind of already knew, but the deterioration and my air passage was blocked more than I had realized. So he put a plan in place as to get the new jaws put in and move forward. So. Total jaw, both jaws replaced. He opened up my air passage. He moved my jaw, I can't remember how many centimeters, but he opened my air passage up to where I could breathe and stop snoring. My recovery was so fast because he gave me the worst case scenario, about not eating and this and that, and I had the big syringe that I was going to drink. 3 days, and I could eat soft foods, but within weeks I was fine. No steaks or anything like that, but it was very fast and no pain to speak of, none. Well, breathing is a huge part of my life, so it's improved immensely. I'm not short of breath. Not tired like I was. I'd wake up just exhausted. When I wake up now, I'm like, phew, I feel good. So yeah, it's been amazing. I love Dr. Movahed. I do. He's an awesome doctor. He's an awesome person. He just makes you feel special. He really does. I couldn't have been happier. And like I said, I had been to 2 other places. And when I met him, it's like, done. I'm going with him.